Petey? Petey, you don't fit in that box.
What are you doing?
Petey? Petey? You don't got your period. You're a boy. Petey. We went out to buy pads and this is what we got. I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't think it's strong enough.
I don't like this brand. Petey, feminine products are not your friend. Petey, you stuck?
Is he stuck?
Petey, I think he's comfortable.
Yeah. Are
Petey.
you gonna fall asleep in there?
Yeah, he can't raise his eyes to look at the camera. He's so stuck. Oh.
You ruined it.
No one can see me.
You ruined it, Mom.
No one can see me. Petey, when you squeeze your face through there, it's like a facelift. Oh. Oh. Boo-boo. Hi. Boo-boo, you're too close. Oh, there's a pretty boy. That's a pretty boy. Oh, here come boy. There's Lulu. She cute. Weenie. She cute. And our other guinea pig.
Squeak, squeak.
You want a carrot?
No.
Okay. Today, Lainey is eating her poop. I think that means we need more hay. Not sure.
Hey, it helps with the digestion.
The digestion? I've never heard of that before. What is it?
It's a new kind of food.
Boo-boo, you attacking your brother? Oh. Oh, it says AF. Does that mean all full?